Good health is not that something we can buy. However, it can be an extremely valuable savings account. Welcome to my channel Zion Kolkebai. Today I am here with a special tasty and healthy recipe, Ragi Dosa. I am very much sure that you get a lot of information and good health benefits of Ragi in my video. Watch it completely without skipping. Friends, every day is another chance to get stronger, to eat better, to live healthier and to be the best version of you. Before I start the recipe of Ragi Dosa, let us discuss the various good health benefits of Ragi one by one.
Here are few health benefits of Ragi. In 144 grams of whole Ragi flour gives about 10.3 grams of protein. Very good source for vegetarians. Ragi seeds helps in anemia. It is a good source of vitamin B1 which helps in RBC production and forms ATP which body uses for energy. Ragi has many antioxidants which helps to fight against infections. Antioxidants may help in reducing risk of cancer. Being rich in vitamin B3 enables skin formation and preventing wrinkles and skin diseases. Ragi builds strong bones and teeth. 1 cup of ragi flour has 481 milligrams of calcium, which is 49% of RDA. Calcium is a mineral that makes bones stay strong. It is the richest source of phosphorus, which helps building strong bones and teeth. Ragi has great healthy option for those who are intolerant to gluten. It is gluten free. Ragi benefits in diabetes. Ragi flour creates a much lower surge in sugar levels compared to wheat. It is rich in magnesium, which improves insulin response by lowering insulin resistance. Ragi porridge is a wholesome food that keeps your baby and toddler satiated and active for at least a couple of hours. Ragi is good for heart. It is rich in magnesium. In 100 grams of ragi, 137 milligrams of magnesium is present. Being rich in fiber, it benefits to reduce bad cholesterol, that is LDL, and increases the effects of good cholesterol, that is HDL. Note the ingredients for ragi dosa. Ragi seeds soaked 5 to 6 hours or overnight, 250 grams. Instead of ragi seeds, you can use ragi flour. Half cup of fresh sprouted green gram. 1 medium size chopped carrot, 1 1 medium sized chopped green capsicum, smallly chopped cabbage half cup oats, chopped onion 1 big, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder, 1 teaspoon of black seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, and salt for taste. To the mixing bowl, add oats, black seeds, ajwain, add water and soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Now transfer the ragi seeds to a mixie. Made a fine paste. Now add sprouted green gram, salt, and grind well. Ragi batter, add into the soaked oats, black seeds and ajwain. Adding chopped carrot, chopped onion, chopped cabbage, chopped capsicum and fenugreek powder. Now mix well. You have to keep the batter thick, so don't add water. Now mixing. You can check later, and if you want, you can add water. All the vegetables mix well. I am using cast iron pan. Pan is heated. Brush oil. You can use even non-stick pan. Cover it and cook for 1 minute in low flame. After opening the lid, keep for 45 seconds. Now almost 45 seconds. Sides are opening. Now again cook for 1 minute. It's almost 1 minute.